Hello, warm welcome. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's the place where I grow, cook and share, just like today. I'm cooking chop choy, vegetables that I grow at the garden. This is where I usually cook simple and not pretentious dishes. Dishes that I really love, dishes that I learned from my mother. I also prepare international dishes, dishes that have become regular part of my kitchen. I may not be a trained cook, but I have already prepared for big events and occasions. I even bake cakes for birthdays. Besides cooking, I also have an allotment garden. It's where I grow most of the vegetables and ingredients that I use in my cuisine. I mainly grow local veggies, but I also grow tropical vegetables like these ones. I also grow flowers and make arrangements. Simple and healthy food here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's my aim to get you inspired to be more self-reliant and to start to grow, cook and share. See you on our next videos.